Hey guys, this is Huzaifa from YouTube channel Positive Academy. Today we will be doing the part two, how to make money spiritually. In the first part, we already talked that to make money spiritually, you need to be on creative side. And when you are on the creative side, universe really supports you. So what basically is money? Money is a flow of energy. So it is so much important how you bring that energy into your life. A lot of people choose short way or they choose minimum way to or minimum work to get money. They want instant money, which is not possible. The universe never supporting that in your that dream, right? So to attack that money is so much important. And how you do that plays a vital role. Like for example, I have one person who is earning a lot of money. He's making 1.5 lakhs per month and now he's continuously making that money, but the way of making money is not good. And so now in the long term, he is enjoying the benefits. He is enjoying the life. But as time passes, right, there comes some moment where he lost everything, where he lost his life. It was a sudden death, right? And what does it show? It shows that the way of earning money is so much important. How you attract that money, how you attract that energy is so much crucial. Though he is earning a lot of money, but he is not able to sustain that because it's not the right thing that he has done. And due to which he has suffered, he has lost his life. And now when he's losing his life in that process, he is losing also a lot of money to the hospitals, to the medical stuff, and many different things. So whatever till now he has accumulated is already lost. So it's kind of exchange of money, right? So it's kind of law of conservation of energy. Energy cannot be created, cannot be destroyed. It can only be transferred from one form to another. So now this guy has made money or the energy in one form, which is not correct. And so now he has to suffer. So that form will definitely deplete as the years passes. And eventually it will lose everything that till now that he has accumulated. So you must understand this law works every time. Right? It's a physics law, but it works everywhere. Whenever there is energy, then this law can be put into the picture. So now, first of all, if you want to make the money spiritually, you must decide to take 100% responsibility of how you are attracting money into your life. What work you are doing to make money. Is it okay? Is it fruitful? Is it legit? Is it great? It is helping people. Is it providing value? Is it serving others? Ask all these questions before you dive deep into how to make money spiritual. A lot of people don't even understand or don't even bother how the money is coming into your life. And so now, if you're not knowing what is the source and how you are doing that, in the long term, you will suffer. And we are actually the manager that is in between. So when money comes, you are at one point, and money goes, you are at other point. You are just the manager. So the wisest person is the one who is able to manage money, who knows the incoming and outgoing, and that way he takes the decision. Right. So this is the number one step if you want to make money spiritually, because you must know the source from where the money or energy is coming. Because everything in this universe is energy. And I myself is an energy. And right now you are watching, you are also a form of energy, and you find this video because your frequency and vibration is matching with me. And so it's also a kind of form of energy. So we are vibrating with the atoms, molecules, and many different stuff, which is a form of energy. Right. So understand this, and then we can begin. So now when I say that money is doing from the creative end, right? So when you create something, universe supports. Universe is always in your favor. So how do you create the thing? The first number one way I would definitely recommend you is to help people to solve their problems. When you help people to solve their problems, you will definitely dive into abundance mindset, into the abundance shift, because universe will definitely help you because you are putting that kind of energy to help people. It might be in the form of micro website, it might be in the form of blog or whatever, but when you are putting that into effort, solving the people problem, helping the people to understand or to make them knowledgeable or make them tutorial about something or many different ways, but you are helping them to solve the particular problem. And so now in that process, when you do that consistently, right, the universe is watching you, God is watching you, and that they will reward you. You will be providing the reward, and that is your spiritual money. You are doing that effort, and you are getting the reward. There is no competition, there is no comparison. You are you, you are authentic, and you are doing your stuff. This is the number one. Next is providing education. Right now, there is a lot of information, but the information might be wrong or might be manipulated. But when you provide the correct education to the world to help them, right, to elevate them, to make them better version, universe will definitely reward you. You can't even imagine, because the energy that you give multiplies when you are on to creative side. You give the energy 1x, it returns to you in 5x. You can't even imagine. That is the power of creativity. That is the power of spirituality. That is the power of abundance. So this is the second way. Third way, entertainment, comedy, right? A lot of people are facing negativity, stress, anxiety, fear, and many different things. So it is so much important to elevate their mood, right? To live the life to the fullest. And you can do that by providing entertainment, maybe in the form of songs, maybe comedy show, maybe just providing something funny, right? Because fun is so much important, right? If you're not having fun in your life, means your life is total waste. You must take time in your life to have fun, right? So providing entertainment is a third way in which you can make a difference in the world and to make it to better and to attract the money spiritually. And the fourth way is through healing. Now there is a lot going on in the world and people need healing from many varieties of problems, right? And I will not say that there will not be a problem into your life. There will be problems into your life. Life itself is a problem, right? So when you provide healing for that problem, right? When you are a healer, when you are a psychic medium, when you know the tools, when you are with the universe, when you are with the consciousness, when you are with the cosmic energy, you become a channel. And then your ability to heal people, right, will definitely play a major role in your spiritual making money, in your spiritual journey. Universe will reward you, God will reward you, and you can't even imagine in what ways it can help you, because the energy that you put out is so much important. A lot of people are just putting the bad energy, putting the negativity, putting the short form videos with the dancing and many bad things, many nudity and many different things, which is actually negative energy, and it will have an impact on your life. Just I already told in the beginning, right? What you give, you receive. What you give, you receive. So this is the fourth way. You can make a difference in people's life to make world a better place by becoming a healer, by being a healing medium, by being a psychic medium, connecting to the universal cosmos, right? And the last but not least is to provide inspiration, to provide motivation, never to give up on your goals, never to give up on your dreams, becoming your greatest version, to inspire others, to motivate others, right? Because there are things in life which puts people down, and we are emotional beings. However, we try to control ourselves, but at one point of time we lose that control. And so now to bring back that control, it is important to provide inspiration, motivation, or maybe you can dive deep into meditation stuff. You can provide people with meditation skills. You can provide with calming videos, with the soothing music, and many different things. But all these lies on the creative side. The creative side is where the magic lies, where you are able to earn money to the large scale, where you are able to channel that energy, and you will see the results multiply, right? You will be a spiritual money making machine. And we are not just focusing on money here. I'm not talking that you earn billions and millions of dollars. No. But apart from putting that energy out, apart from creating something, in that process you are also attaining a lot of other things. You are becoming your greatest person. You are learning things in order to help others. You are also learning yourself. You are building your brand. You are building your legacy. You are building your community, you are building your rapport, you are building many different things in that process. Money is the last outcome. I'm not bothered about my monetization channel. No, nothing. It doesn't matter. I'm bothered about my content, whether I'm able to inspire, whether I'm able to make change the lives of the people. That's what matters. If I'm able to change only 1% of the people's life, then I think that I am grateful and I'm blessed to have my voice and to share my message to the world. Right? It's kind of, it elevates me, right? Everything I wake up in the morning, right? I feel that thought that I will be doing something amazing today, making something awesome, right? Creating something amazing, right? I have that feeling with me, right? And I never chase money, right? I never do that things, right? But I know that in that process, it will definitely make me my greatest version, and also it will help you to elevate in many different varieties of things just I explained just few minutes before. So I hope that this video really helps you. This kind of serves you motivation. And I don't know anything, but the most important thing you can do is to leave the comment of gratitude, because gratitude has a power to change everything. When you're grateful for this video, or if this video founds you, if you're finding this video, you must be definitely grateful, because universe is with you, the cosmic consciousness is with you. You will definitely learn something and earn something, right? So learn before you earn, right? Learn before you earn. So what I have learned, I shared, and now I might, in that process, I might earn, right? So that is the gist. I hope you get the complete insight. If you're new to this channel, consider subscribing for regular dose of positivity. See you in the next video. Till then, bye.